everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to disassemble Samsung Galaxy A51. Before disassembling Samsung Galaxy A51, first of all take a look at remove back glass tape and clean residue. Remove SIM or SD tray using e-jack pin. Loosen 13 screws. Disassemble the rear cover. Disconnect all connectors from main PBA. Loosen one screw. Disconnect coaxial cable. Disconnect all connectors from Sub PBA. Disassemble the main PBA. Disassemble the Sub PBA. So this is how we can disassemble Samsung Galaxy A51. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.